to get in a few more this morning, and I'll try to finish it up this afternoon. Number 8 is, make sure my pen works, y squared plus 3y minus 28 over y squared plus 12y plus 35. These are some of the easiest to factor because this is kind of where you started with factoring when you start doing that in Algebra 1. The leading coefficient is a 1, which makes it easy. So for y squared, I'm going to put y and y. And then for the last two numbers, I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 28 and add to give me a positive 3. So that would be a positive 7 and a negative 4. That multiplies to give me negative 28. It adds together to give me a positive 3. In the bottom, I'm going to have a y and y. I need two numbers that multiply to give me a positive 35 and add together to give me a positive 12. So that would be positive 5 and positive 7. All right, so I have a y plus 7 and y plus 7 on the top and the bottom. And so my answer is y minus 4 over y plus 5. And I'm done. Can't cancel the y's because they're a term, not a factor. So my answer for number 8 is D, y minus 4 over y plus 5. Number 9. Again, leading coefficient of 1, which makes it easy. Y squared, that doesn't look like a y, but it is. Y squared plus 8y plus 16 over y squared plus 10y plus 24. So on the top, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me, I got to put a y and y, two numbers that multiply to give me 16 and add to 8. So that'd be 4 and 4. And on the bottom, I need two numbers that multiply to give me 24 and add to 10. And that'd be 6 and 4. So I'm going to cancel out a y plus 4, and that's my answer, y plus 4 over y plus 6. Number 10 is a little bit different. Number 10 is a factor by grouping. 3x minus 3y minus bx plus by over 3x minus 3y plus bx minus by. And I have people canceling things here. You cannot cancel terms. You can only cancel factors. So because this has four terms, I'm going to factor by grouping, divide the first two. Out of the first two, I take out a 3, and that gives me x minus y. Whoop, I wrote that. I said it right, but wrote it wrong. X minus y. And then out of the last two, if the third term is negative, you have to take out a negative. So I'm going to take out a negative b, and that would leave me with x minus y. Negative b times x is minus bx. Minus b times minus y is plus y. On the bottom, I'm going to take out a 3, x minus y, and then I'm going to take out a positive b because that third term is positive, and that leaves me with x minus y. So the matching factor is x minus y. And then the other factor would be on the top, 3 minus b. And on the bottom, x minus y is the matching factor. And the other factor is going to be 3 plus b. So these cancel, and my answer is 3 minus b over 3 plus b, which is b. All right, number 11, they want me to write this in lowest terms. It's 8 minus m over m minus 8. These is exactly the opposite of each other. On the top, the 8 is positive and the m is negative. And on the bottom, the m is positive and the 8 is negative. So if I cancel this out, it's equal to negative 1. Number 12. 7k minus 28 over 12 minus 3k. So I could take out a 7, and that'd leave me with k minus 4. On the bottom, I'll take out a 4, and that's going to leave me with, nope, I'm going to take out a 3. Can't take out a 4. Take out a 3, and I've got 4 minus k. I can cancel. These are exactly opposites of each other, so I can cancel them out if I replace it with a negative 1. So at the top, I'd have 7 times negative 1, which is negative 7 over 3. My answer is C. And 13, I've got y minus 6, y minus 9. It's all factored. That's nice. 9 minus y, and 6 plus y. All right, y minus 9 and 9 minus y are opposites because the y is positive, 9 is negative, and then the 9 is positive and y is negative. So these cancel if I replace it with a negative 1. These don't cancel at all because they aren't opposites. Here the y is positive and the 6 is negative, and here they're both positive. So I have a negative 1 times y minus 6 over 6 plus y. Let's see which one that would be. I think that is, if I distribute the negative 1, because that's what it's going to look like on the bottom. The bottom is 6 plus y, which there's 3 choices that have that. But on the top, it's negative y plus 6, and on the bottom it's 6 plus y. So that is the same thing as 6 minus y over 6 plus y if I rewrite it. So my answer to this is C. All right, I'm going to stop right there. That's 8 through 13 on your review.